All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, let's talk about the Milwaukee, hanging light. If you didn't see the video on this, I did an initial if you didn't see my first video on this, I will try to link it in the description or something, but it is a Milwaukee flexible light. It's articulating, heavy magnets, and as everybody pointed out, this is not designed to hold stuff. It's designed to put tools and bolts and stuff on it. So what's my opinion on it after having it a while? Does it replace something like this Astro light? Does it replace a flashlight? Yes, no, maybe. Now obviously the Astro light, famously, bendy magnet, which I love Astro, but their magnets are a little, they still move a lot. This is hard to get moving. That's one huge advantage of this light, is Milwaukee went for the magnets. Now, a little bit dramatic on that, but it is like I'm pulling hard on it to try to come off straight. It's not coming off. That's a huge advantage for this light over the Astro, which I can just pull down, not hard. And one of the problems with the Astro is I always hit this thing. So it always winds up either dropping or pointed the wrong way. Because I was actually using this the other day and literally stuck it on body and, reached my arm in there. Before I know it, it was pointed the completely wrong direction. So this magnet will not do that, which is the best feature of this light. Now, once you've got it situated somewhere where you need it, you move it around, you light it up, you point it exactly where you need it, and you've got light. Now, I talked about using this under a car. That's situational, whether or not it's going to work, because, you got to have it lighting up where you're working, not your face, because staring into a light kind of sucks, But the magnet is definitely strong. That is a great feature. With a regular battery in here, it lasts a while. I mean, I literally couldn't tell you how long it's lasted. With the articulating, it's got multiple modes for brightness. Of course, it's got the indicator. I got 2 bars left. As long as you've got a good piece of metal to mount it to, I'm not making this up. This magnet's strong. It will stick. I mean, that's no joke. They definitely spec'd sufficient magnets, which has always been one of my complaints with the Astros is despite what they do, they all do the same thing. They're not strong enough. They're just not. It's one of my pet peeves about Astro, is they just do just enough magnet. Now, Astro does have one thing above the Milwaukee, and that is wireless charging, where it just hangs on a magnet. You don't have that with this, but you got a way stronger magnet. So definitely something to consider, especially under hood kind of stuff. I wouldn't really consider replacing the under hood light from Milwaukee for this, but it definitely is a good addition to that light. The Milwaukee light bar is useful in its own right. This just isn't as big as that, so it doesn't light up as much of an area, but definitely well worth it. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.